Hello Mixfamers! Glad you're back. On to our next major steps. Here where we get to know you better. So first, we're going to start by knowing your childhood. Maybe your baby steps, or maybe your first words. I'm just kidding. Let's begin. Personal details and appearance. It's self-explanatory. We recommend you give us more on how you look and what's your appearance. And the more accurate you become, the better. The personal details consists of the following: date of birth, nationality. If you have more than one nationality, we recommend you provide us with the most that you like to be identified by as a talent. Ethnicity, like Asian, Latinos, Middle Eastern, Caucasian, colored. Height, weight, hair color, type, and length. Shoe size, waist size, chest size. And don't forget to tell us the location where you live and the languages that you speak.